Y220 from uklocksport.co.uk. This video is a little bit spooky for the simple reason I had one of my great subscribers on YouTube today by the name of Joe Mancuso. Hope you're well, my friend. Sent me a message asking for help in picking one of these, and I said, sorry my friend, I've never picked one before. Have you tried light tension, etc., placing tension wrench in different places, etc. And that's how spooky it is. I came home this evening from work and a neighbour said, can I have a go at picking a lock off an outhouse shed? So I said, yep, give it a go. Took my toolkit round, flashlight. Shining up there was the same sort of padlock that Joe wanted help with. This one is the Y220/51. You can make that out. Joe's was the same brand and sort of model, but the forward slash, I think afterwards, I'm not sure if it was larger or smaller than this, I wasn't sure. Neighbours had a go at cutting it to no avail. Let's have a go at getting it open. I did try bottom of the keyway, sort of tension wrench down there, and it was just dropping into little falsets all the time, and I couldn't pick out of those. I was losing them. So I managed to be able to sort of turn it round and get sort of top of the keyway, but sort of inverted. It's a 5-pin. I know Joe said he had to use sort of heavy tension, I think due to wear and things. It's a springy sort of plug on there, so I'm sort of using sort of light to medium tension, and with the spring on there I'm adjusting tension very slightly now and again. It does drop into nice little falsets. So there's plenty of spools in this. There you go. Picked open. So that's the Yale Y220/51 padlock single pin picks. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.